Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about the solution of quadratic equation using completing the square method. We will see the 5 simple steps to solve any quadratic equation by using completing the square method. See the question here, find the roots of the equation. Here the equation is given 12x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. We have to solve this equation by completing the square method. So let's see the 5 simple steps. The first step is divide the equation with coefficient of x square. So here the equation is given 12x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. So here the coefficient of x square is 12. So we will divide this whole equation with 12. So this is the first step. So if you follow the first step, this equation become x square plus 5 upon 12x minus, if you divide this 3 by 12, and you will get 1 by 4 equal to 0. So this is the first step completed here. Now second step is take the constant term in right hand side of the equation. So here the constant term is minus 1 upon 4. So we will take this term into the right hand side. So this become x square plus 5 upon 12x equal to, if you take this minus 1 upon 4 to right hand side, it becomes plus 1 upon 4. So this is the second step. Now the third step, very important step, add coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square. Coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square on both the side. So here for this equation, if you see here, the coefficient of x is 5 upon 12. Coefficient of x is 5 upon 12 and divide by 2. Coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square. So this become 5 upon 24 whole square. This 12 multiplied 2. So this become 5 upon 24 whole square. So we will add this 5 upon 24 whole square on both the side. So this side on the right hand side. So on the left hand side we get this is 5 upon 24 whole square. On the same way we will add on right hand side. This is 1 upon 4 plus 5 upon 24 whole square. Now if you simplify this, see this step number 4, convert the right hand side equation in the form of a plus b whole square. So here we know the formula for a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is the formula for a plus b whole square. So if you see this right hand side of the equation, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is x and b is 5 upon 24. So we can write this right hand side in the form of a plus b whole square. That is x plus b is 5 upon 24 whole square. And in the right hand side this is 1 upon 4, and if you do the square of 5 upon 24 whole square, so 5 square is 25 and 20 is 5 square is 25 and 24 square is 576. So if you take the LCM here, this will be 144 plus 25 divided by 576. Now simplify this to find out the value of x. This is the last step. Here we can write this is x plus 5 upon 24 whole square is equal to this side 144 plus 25, that is 169 divided by 576. Now if you remove this square, then it becomes x plus 5 upon 24 is equal to, this side we will get under root 169 divided by 576. So here we will get x plus 5 upon 24 is equal to, this will be plus or minus 13 divided by 24. Now we will solve for the value of x. One time we will take plus 13 by 24 and one time we will take minus 13 by 24. So here, first of all, if you take x plus 5 upon 24 equal to plus 13 by 24, and if you solve this for the value of x, we will get x equal to 13 by 24 minus 5 upon 24. So this will be equal to 13 minus 5 divided by 24. That will be 8 divided by 24, or we can say 1 upon 3. And if you take x plus 5 upon 24 equal to minus 13 by 24, because your sign is plus or minus. So one time we will take plus 13 by 24 and one time we will take minus 13 by 24. So if you take minus 13 by 24, so here you will get x equal to minus 13 by 24 minus 5 upon 24. So this will be equal to minus 18 by 24. It is equal to minus 3 by 4. So this is our answer. X equal to 1 upon 3 and x equal to minus 3 upon 4. X equal to 1 upon 3 and minus 3 upon 4. This is our answer. So this is how we can solve any quadratic equation by completing the square method in simple 5 steps. Let's see one more problem. See the question number 2. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0 by completing the square method. We will follow this simple 5 step. First step is we will divide this equation with coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 2. So we will divide equation by 2. So we will get, this is x square minus 7 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. This is the first step. In second step, we will take this constant term to the right hand side. So our equation becomes x square minus 7 by 2x equal to, if you take this plus 3 by 2 to right hand side, it becomes minus 3 by 2. This is the second step. Now in the third step, we will add the coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square on the both sides. So your coefficient of x is minus 7 by 2, and if you divide this with 2, it will become minus 7 by 4 whole square. We will add this on both sides. So here it becomes x square minus 7 by 2x plus minus 7 by 4 whole square, that will be equal to 49 divided by 16. We add this into left hand side and same thing we will add into right hand side. We add 49 divided by 16 on both the side. So this is the third step. Now in the fourth step, we will convert this right hand side equation in the form of a plus b whole square. Oh, here minus sign is given, so it will be converted into a minus b whole square. The equation is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here minus sign is given, so this right hand side equation we can write it in the form of x minus 7 by 2 whole square. If you expand this x minus 7 by whole square, you will get x square minus 7 by 2x plus 49 by 16. Okay. And on the right hand side, if you take the LCM, this become, the LCM will be 16 here, and on the numerator this will be minus 3 will be multiplied with 8, so it will be 24 plus 49. So this will be 25 divided by 16. Or we can write x minus 7 by 2 is equal to, if you remove this square, this side it become under root 25 divided by 16. So we can write x minus 7 by 2 equal to, this will be plus or minus 5 divided by 4. So we'll solve for the value of x. So one time we will take x minus 7 by 2 equal to plus 5 by 4, and one time we will take minus 5 by 4. So if you take plus 5 by 4, here we will get x equal to 5 by 4, and this minus 7 by 2 go to this side, become plus 7 by 2. So if you take the LCM, you will get 5 plus 14 divided by 4. That will be equal to 19 by 4. So this is the one value of x. And same way, if you consider this minus 5 by 4 here, then it will be x minus 7 by 2 equal to minus 5 by 4. So this will be x equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 2. So if you take the LCM, this become minus 5 plus 14 divided by 4. So here we get x equal to 9 divided by 4. So this is our answer, x equal to 19 by 4 and x equal to 9 by 4. So this is how you can solve any quadratic equation using completing the square method. Let's solve one more problem. See the question number 3. Question is x square plus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. We have to solve it by completing the square method. So first step is divide this equation by the coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 1 only. So no need to divide this equation. If you divide this equation by 1, then equation will remain as it is. So move to the step number 2. We will take this constant term into the right hand side. So this equation become x square plus 10x equal to minus 3. Now we will add coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square on the both sides. So coefficient of x is 10 divided by 2 whole square on both sides. So this is 10 by 2 whole square. This is 5 whole square, that is 25. So we will add 25 on both sides. So here this become x square plus 10x plus 25. So we can write this is x plus 5 whole square equal to this side minus 3 plus 25. That will be equal to 22. So we will solve this equation for the value of x. If you remove this square, this become x plus 5 equal to this side it become plus or minus under root 22. Now here if you take x plus 5 equal to plus under root 22, so we'll get x equal to, this is minus 5 plus root 22. This is the one value. And same way if you take x plus 5 equal to minus under root 22, so here we will get x equal to minus 5 minus under root 22. So this is the values of x. So this is how you can solve any quadratic equation using completing the square method. For more practice, you can take these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.